Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, everybody. It is the Thumpkin Show.
Hey, hold on, it's all kind of our show too.
And it's Adam here. Let's not forget about me.
Oh, that's right. He's okay too, but right now
It's the boys, the five little monkeys. Yay! I think you are the mighty five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and me makes 6.
that's what we have. Yeah.
But guess what? Today there's going to be 7.
What? What? 7?
What do you mean there's gonna be 7? Aren't I enough? You are definitely enough, Thumpkin. But there's more friends, and one of them is very cute, and his name is Switch. Would you like to meet him?
Oh yeah, we'd like to meet him. Yeah, that'd be great. Here he comes.
All right, Switch. Oh, you are cute.
I'm a pug.
What did you say?
I think he said I'm a thug.
No, it wasn't what he said. Can you say it again?
I'm a pug. I think he said I'm a bug.
No, it's not what he said. He said I'm a pug. It's a type of dog.
Oh, yeah, what's that?
Well, I heard it. Maybe I didn't, but okay. Hello, little cuteness. Hi. Whoa, you have some smelly breath. Oh dear, I didn't know he had smelly breath. Let me smell. Ooh, when we have smelly breath, we should just probably go brush our teeth. Then you need to brush more. Okay, Thumpkin, come on now. All right. Hey, well, now that we're all on the show, probably we should talk about something cool that pugs do, since you are the 7th.
Pugs like to run around, and we take walks, and we like treats.
Ooh, I guess we like treats here in this house too. One of our favorites is cupcakes. Do you guys like cupcakes?
I love cupcakes. Oh, yeah, I like them too.
That is pretty fun. Well, anyway, I'm so excited we got to meet you today, Switch. And boys, can you maybe give him something, nice that you could do?
I will sing him a song.
Oh, you're gonna sing him a song? Okay, what is it gonna be?
The pug song.
I'm actually not familiar with the pug song. Let's see how it goes.
I'm ready. Pugs, they're not slugs.
What? That's your song?
Yeah, I thought it was awesome.
Well, okay. All right. Did you like it?
Yes, I liked it.
Okay. I like the pugs, slugs song. We're going to call it that. You guys are wonderful. Thanks for being on the show. And say hi to the kids that I work with. Hi, kids.
Woof.
Oh, thank you. All right.